Sometimes I look at the unity between the teeth and the tongue and how they work in synergy to ensure that there is harmony in digestion and speech. It is the tongue that passes food to different parts of the mouth so that the teeth can chew the food conveniently. After chewing, it is the same tongue that rolls food into bolus and throws it for swallowing. If the tongue is affected, the speech will not come out well. If the teeth is affected, the speech will not come out well. Look at the position of the tongue. It is well laid in the middle and there is no squabble anyhow. Every organ at the right place. And as you can see, the teeth offer security for the tongue because the tongue is very soft. Now, with this order and harmony and synergy, you still find yourself biting your tongue by mistake, and it is so painful. Now, when you bite your tongue by mistake, do you now remove your tongue and put it somewhere else so that you can create peace? Definitely no. Does it mean that the tongue is in the wrong place? Definitely no. It only means that no matter how peaceful you are with people, even if you are meant to be together, even if that person was meant to be around you, once in a while there'll always be some differences. Once in a while the teeth will collide with the tongue, and that doesn't mean that the tongue does not belong inside the mouth. Sometimes people may wrong you not because they're wicked, but because of the innate human nature of certain weaknesses. So if you are the type that does not condone any nonsense, any slight biting, you're only removing the tongue and throwing it away. Believe you me, I'm sorry, but it may not be very easy for you to develop quality connection, and you can easily discard the right people from your life. Disagreements are there, but they're meant to be solved and not to lead to separation or permanent disagreements. And so, look at the tongue and the teeth. Are you more peaceful than them? Definitely no. There is no day the tongue will walk out to go and stroll from the mouth and come back. But as human beings, sometimes we are alone somewhere. And so, we are prone to having more differences compared to the tongue and the teeth. And so as human, we need to understand that we need to adjust and accommodate people with their shortcomings. Only the teeth that is not in the right place, that is now bringing squabbles, that should be uprooted. Otherwise, all of us, like the tongue, we can overlap and go to the side of the teeth and receive some biting. That doesn't mean the teeth is our enemy. Thank you.